mission of Somali Siman is to ensure a Somali nation that provides a just, fair, and truly inclusive environment for every Somali citizen or group, regardless of their social and economic background.
Our principles and values, which unite Somalis back home and in diaspora, are central themes in Somali Siman's common pursuit of justice, progress, tolerance, and respect for the dignity of all human beings.
As Somalians, we believe that regardless of social, political, and economic background, all of us share similar aspirations: to live in peace and security, to get an education, to work with dignity, and to love as one nation and one community. We are at the forefront of promoting human rights and respect for diversity.
If you believe in the pursuit of justice, and truly inclusive Somalia, free from discrimination, and in which all citizens are embraced fully as members of the Somali nation, please pledge now.
If you believe in empowering and acknowledging that Somali women are the backbone of Somali society, please pledge now. Somali Siman, the way Somalia moving forward. Thank you for joining us.
Somali Siman, a way Somalia moving forward. Thank you for joining us.